Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Oliver and I'm an educator and session stylist. I work for Schwarzkopf Professional and I'm super excited to be with all of you today. So I'm going to be showing you two looks. We're going to walk through all the steps and I'm going to be using the Schwarzkopf Professional flat iron. So let's do it. This base blow dry that I did all started on damp hair. I'll walk you through the products that I used to get here. Number one, working with the mousse. So this is a spray volumizing mousse. I actually hopefully you can see that. I love that it is a spray because it's so easy to apply. So you're gonna put that everywhere through damp hair. And next I'm gonna go in with the thickener. So this is again on damp hair, spray this everywhere. It's just a lightweight spritz that really plumps and thickens and adds great bounce and body so you get that nice blow dry. I'm kind of layering these products one after the other. I'm gonna put in a little bit of the Miracle. So the Miracle is a heat protecting cream and you'll see here, also, this is how you open it, guys, if you're ever struggling. I'm just gonna put a little bit into the palms of my hands here so you can see that. So just a tiny little bit, and that just goes through the tips of the hair so that you get this really nice smooth blow dry. Hot tip, I used a round brush and the blow dry nozzle. Stop stuffing this in the drawer in your bathroom. This has a purpose. Look number one is going to be a textured beach wave. I love this for just adding a kind of a loose, natural, undone feel to my bob. And I'm gonna be doing that using the flat iron, working in sort of this S-shaped pattern. So the first thing I'm gonna do though, is I need to section my hair. Starting in the back, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You can just go as you will. I'm gonna grab the section and I'm going to turn over and then under. So can you see that nice little bend I have there? But if my hair is longer, I'm going to start working in what I call over the hill, under the hill. So I'm gonna go turning over and then under like a S shape like this. And you're gonna see that more when I work into my longer sections. So I'm just gonna keep repeating this over and over and you can take a look as I go through it. I'm going to use the serum. So this is our finishing oil. I'll take a little bit, not too much, just a little, tiny little bit there. I'm gonna massage that through my fingers and start kind of twisting out all the little tips and ends of the hair. And the final touches are always done with your favorite hairspray. And this is definitely one that I love. This is the Flexible, which means it's super light, it's very touchable, and you can just get those final touches with a really soft feel. Look number two is going to be a high pony. I'm going to add some curl to it, a little bit more than what this wave is. So really showing off how we can get a true shape and a true curl with your flat iron, but I need some help. So I'm going to put a little high ponytail in with my extensions. I'll be right back. Ta-da! So here I am, ponytail in. I slicked it back using the Definer, which is a curl cream. You can put this into towel dried hair and diffuse. How I used it is just to sleek back the sides, which I love. These are just my extensions sort of brushed out from the last time that I wore them. And now I'm going to create a curl in here using my flat iron. So I do want to talk about how to properly do that. I'm going to brush through a section and I'll just work one piece at a time as I go. Take my flat iron, I'm just gonna lightly heat it up a bit just to get some warmth in there, and when you do that, it helps to curl better. Now, I'm going to use my flat iron, I'm just going to place that up at the top, do a full turn 180, and then slide all the way down to the ends, and I just get that nice curl in there. I like a bit of a looser curl, but if you want tighter, you're going to turn even more. So take it, turn all the way around, and slide very, very slowly, and you'll get even more of a tighter curl. All right, so now I have this nice curl in here. This is the perfect thing to do with a flat iron because it gives more of an undone look to the curl. Now I'm going to loosen that up by using the serum. Running your fingers through to just sort of define these out and sort of loosen them up. After it's got that little bit of definition and shine through there, you've broken up the curls a little bit. I'm gonna take the Flexible, which is that nice movable working hairspray, and I'm just gonna, this is one of my favorite things to do, is just sort of fluff out the curls a little bit. All right, so I'm all done. I love a high pony. I mean, who doesn't, right? So now you've seen two looks. We did that nice textured S wave, which is really working with those up and down, over and under the hill, and then the full curl where you're really turning that iron and bringing it through the hair to create a full curl shape. Products are important. Working with Session Label for both of these looks really made the difference. So using the right products for volume to build the style and also to define the look in the end, this is where you're gonna have everything you need within Session Label. So have fun, be creative. I hope you try these looks at home. Happy styling.